Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to turn on turning off screen by covering the screen with your palm. So we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for advanced features, and here in motion and gestures we have palm touch to turn off screen. What does it do? It does exactly what it implies. Cover the screen with your palm to turn it off. For example, if we check this box, we simply, and that's it. The screen is off. It can be useful. It's again advanced motion gestures, and here it is palm touch to turn off the screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.